Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Now the last time we looked at bikes we were looking at a mid-range bike. Well, basically I got jealous, so we've got another bike to review and this one's for me, and this would be a higher end bike. So Stu's here, he's going to build it for us.
Building another bike.
So he's going to build it for us and basically tell you all about it.
So this one is a Cyrusher TRAX bike, and Charlotte's gone for the nice white, which I think makes it look really nice.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
And it's a step through, so it's going to be nice and easy for you to get on. Now the last bike took me just under 20 minutes to build, so all I've done is I've got this out of the box. Let's see how long this one takes me to build.
Yeah, get the timer out.
Right, now what I did get, and something that I liked straight away, was toolkit, all boxed up nicely. But what I really liked was they do give you a bike pump.
Oh, that's cool, for the tyres.
Yeah, which I thought, do you know what? I mean, they're cheap enough. I think if you're spending this kind of money on a bike, a nice little bike pump, that was a win.
So this one didn't come with as much foam, did it? Or have you taken it off?
I've taken some of it off, but no, there definitely wasn't as much as the last one. Right, let's open up this toolkit and see what goodies they've given us.
Hopefully not too much. It looks pretty simple. It's only the handlebars and a tyre on this one. I don't see any mud guards or anything.
Okay, so the tools on this are far more substantial. You've got proper spanners with this one. You know, normally in like flat packs you get those really thin ones and they hurt your hands as you're doing it. You've got proper spanners with this one, and a nice looking Allen key.
Oh, I like that one.
Yeah.
That's definitely a cutlery drawer edition.
You've also got a replacement for the handlebars, is the throttle.
Not that you're necessarily allowed to use them in the UK.
And you got two wing mirrors, love.
Oh, cute!
All you need now is a bell. Ding ding.
Oh, I gotta get a ding ding, yeah.
Yeah.
Those mirrors are actually quite dangerous if you think about it, you know, especially if you've got lipsticks put on.
Nice front light.
Nice.
Right, but for now, I think I'm going to do what I did last time, and I'm going to start with the handlebars, get it upside down, get the wheels on, and let's see how long this takes me.
Alright, ready? Timer's starting now, okay?
Alright, let's go.
How many have you got? 4.
4. The destructions straight away.
I was going to say, you're losing time.
Yeah. It does say place it towards the front, so I probably got to loosen one of these off.
Oh, and then spin it round. Nicely done.
Oh, that tool makes it really easy.
That tool is wicked.
Yeah, that's so handy. That's just making light work of that.
It's quite often when you have Allen keys and stuff, you end up dropping them, or in your case losing them, so...
Yeah.
Is it good for the grip as well then?
Yeah, much better. I'm getting a really nice tight grip onto those. So as you can see, that's where the battery goes, look.
Yeah.
Another one that goes straight into the frame. I do like that.
So it comes with keys as well then, for the electric bit?
Yes.
Is that so nobody can take it, like steal it?
Yes, no one can nick your battery.
Oh, right. Just ready then, and it's put the tyre on.
Yeah. Which is our next job. Should we put your pedals on, babe?
Yeah, it might be a good idea, you know. Have something to get myself going with. They look like they just stick them in and lock them. Yeah.
Yeah, they're very straightforward. You just hand tighten them in and then nip them up.
I think you're building this one quicker actually, even with all your faffing and instruction reading.
Right, that's the pedals done.
That's good.
Should we put the battery in, love?
Oh, that might be an idea actually.
Oh, there's some weight on that, but again, I like the fact that you can remove it to charge it.
Do you think it's come with any charge to have a go on it?
Yeah, they normally have a little bit of a charge to have a go. Right, so it looks like it slides in there.
Do you need the key or something to open the barrel?
Possibly, I've got the keys here.
Yeah, so turn the key and it's gone in now.
There you go.
Nice.
So that's locked into place. So I think I can turn this over now, love.
Right, careful. Don't be scratching up my new bike.
No.
It does look heavy. It looks really heavy. Is it heavy?
There's a bit of weight to it. It's about 45 kilograms if I remember. Seat is really nice on it. That looks very comfortable, love.
Yeah, well, I got a big bum, haven't I? So that'll work out well. Nice.
There's good there's good pressure in the tyres as well.
Yeah, I just saw on the side it said they were up to 30 psi. That's like a car tyre almost, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or a motorbike tyre.
Yeah.
Right, so you just got the light to stick on.
Yeah, that goes on your...
I'm good to go then, aren't I?
And then we can go.
Well, you are.
Well, I'll test it for you.
Because you know me, I got a habit of falling off.
Yeah, and we don't want to be doing that, do we? So
No.
I'll just fit this light on. But that was actually, love, that was really quick.
So this one does come in a few different colours. I think it was orange, blue, grey and white. So I went for white because I just felt that it was the most neutral colour really. But yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. So it looks wise. It's really nice. I'm going to let Stu test it out. I'm wearing my baggy clothes and I haven't got my helmet, so I'll let him have a go. And it's gravelly around here. And if I fall off there, I'm going to hurt myself.
So I'm the guinea pig then?
Yeah, pretty much. You don't mind a little ride though, do you, love?
Nah.
That light is cool, man.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit jealous.
Did I go and get a good bike?
Yeah, you did. It's lovely.
Now, to be fair, you see them on the pictures, don't you? And they'll sort of say, oh, you know, you try out a bike and you never really know what to expect until you unbox them. But yeah, I mean, in terms of how fast you put it together, how well it was packaged, so far so good.
I think that's it, love.
And look at my kickstand. Look how thick and sturdy that is. I mean, that looks good. I know it's only a kickstand, but it does look sturdy.
Ooh, I tell you the other thing this has got as well, right? So you've got front track suspension.
Yeah.
And you've got an adjuster here again, so you can soften it or harden it.
Okay.
Rear suspension, so you've got suspension front and back.
So that means I'm not going to hurt my bum when I go over the speed bumps.
No.
Well, that'll be nice.
It should be you've got a nice wide seat as well, so that should be a very smooth ride. Let's have a go. Let's see what we got.
Go on then. Remember, don't go too fast. It's already got a horn.
Oh, look at the display. That's a really cool display. So it tells you in miles per hour. That's your setting. So we're on setting 1. That goes up to setting 5.
Yeah.
73% battery.
Nice.
And it tells you how many miles you've done. That's like, that's saying we've done 0.1 miles.
We haven't been
I
anywhere
haven't even ridden it yet. Right, should we try it?
Go on then. Don't drop my bike.
Right, let me just check the brakes are working. Yeah, brakes are good. Right.
You've still got cellophane on the back.
Whoa! Oh, that is strong. That was instant power. It just went woof.
You look like you were just going to get bucked off a horse. It was so
nice
fast.
and smooth. I could feel the rear suspension and you got the front suspension, so the ride was very smooth. Like the seat's a little hard, but I think that's because it's brand new. That'll
wear that
mould a little bit. Tell me, is my light working?
Yeah.
Is the light on?
Give us a flash.
No, I've also got, is the light on? Yeah.
No. Now it is.
It has high beam and low beam, look.
Yeah, I've just said, yeah, it's blinding me.
So babe,
Yeah.
you gonna have a go?
I'm not sure. I'm in my baggy trousers.
Have a little go. Just
All
go
right.
slow.
Alright, I'll have a little go, but if I fall off it,
Do we need to turn it around for you? Are you alright?
I'm alright, yeah. I can do that. You wouldn't think I had a motorbike licence, would you?
I know. To be fair, the size
I'm such a wuss.
the size on that, love, it is like a
Feels
motorbike.
like a motorbike. It's big. You're gonna have to lower the seat.
Lower the seat. Right, one sec.
Oh,
Lowered.
okay.
Go on, girl. Please don't come off it. The brakes work for sure.
Okay.
Just go slow. I told you, it takes it straight away, doesn't it?
Yeah. You don't even need to put your foot on it much. It's literally just a touch and you're gone. Okay. Right, I'm taking one for the team, okay? I'm not prepared for this. Oh, right, okay. I'm actually quite nervous now. Alright, okay.
Well, she's not come off, that's a bonus. Can you turn around?
All I'll say is it's lucky that this one's got the low bar, because I would be doing some serious damage otherwise.
Yeah, well that's why you picked it, didn't you? Because it was a step-through bike.
Yeah.
But you've got the LED headlamp on the front,
Yeah.
the nice thick wide tyres, hydraulic braking, front suspension.
Yeah.
You've got Shimano 9 gears on this one, love.
Okay, I think I'd just be lucky to get out of first gear, to be honest.
To be fair, first gear does it all for you, doesn't it? It's so strong.
But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't like trust myself on the road or anything if I haven't got my safety and proper clothes on, because
we're just playing around with it.
Yeah, I've got to get used
first.
to it for sure, because it's actually a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. But I mean, it's lush. It's a great bike, and I think you can feel how sturdy it is when you're on it. It does feel
it is
sturdy,
solid, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I think I do need to have another few goes on it though and get used to it. So I'll keep up with the kids.
That's it. So another time we'll get the helmets and we can all go out on a bike ride together now.
Yeah, exactly. We can all keep up with each other, and you know.
No, we can keep up with the kids.
Yeah.
Only problem is we need electric power to keep up with the kids' legs.
They're so fast, aren't they? They are fast. But yeah, I mean, these are better, and I think the tyres on this one now and the suspension on this one are going to help me with the bumps, because we had bikes before and I was in agony when I got off them. So yeah, I'm impressed with this. I like it. So as promised, I've tried out the Cyrusher now for a good few months. Really enjoying the bike rides with the kids. We've just come out today with Oliver at the cycle track, and we've just pulled into this beautiful spot by the river. It's been absolutely fantastic. I can't rate it highly enough. It does take a little bit of getting used to, but I think that was more me, nothing to do with the bike. So I hope you've enjoyed the Cyrusher review. We'll catch up with you on the next one.